Greetings friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to share something very interesting about Great Britain pound Swiss franc. This is a pair which has been falling for so many years, and what I expect now is a pullback, which pullback is likely to turn into a total change of trend. So what we can see on our screen is a monthly chart for this pair, and we can see that in 2020 there, price went and made this peak here. This was a pullback, and after that price started pushing to the downside. So this was around November 2020. Yeah, that's when we had this move, and then somewhere between 2020 and 2021, we saw price begin to push the downside. So it went downward swiftly until it got stuck in this area and then moved up. Now, since then, price has been in consolidation on a monthly chart, whereby on the upper side, we have 1.16 price territory, and on the lower side, we have two levels. The first one is this, which is around 1.06, and then the last one, of course, is this, which price printed last and before it went into the consolidation. So what we can see clearly is that now price is already in this second lower key level of this rectangle. So if we say this is the rectangle, we have this as our upper line of the rectangle, and this is our lower line of the rectangle on a monthly chart. When price got to the upper line, it pushed the downside. When price pushed the downside, it moved up. We can see here, price came to this level and moved up. Now, price came to this level and moved up. Price is now in the same level, and the chances are high that we may see this price move up again. So of course, we cannot ignore the fact that the main trend is still to the downside, and price can surprise us by pushing to the downside to retest this previous key level, which was printed some time back. However, the chances are high that price will bounce from this level, going upwards back into this key level, and I believe that by surprise, this level will be broken, and we may see price continuing upwards all the way into 1.3. So those are the two options that I'm so far having in mind. One is that price may bounce from this key level, continue upwards, if possible break this key level, and continue upwards into 1.3 price territory. Secondly is that price may continue downwards for a short term, and then eventually move up, again come back into this key level, if possible break it, and continue upwards into 1.3. So in my opinion, this pair is very ripe, and the chances are high that buyers will be pushing this pair back into at least 1.3 price territory. So that's why I have decided to share it, and I hope you'll benefit from this analysis. Of course, you cannot just enter blindly. You have your own reasons to enter, but for me, that's what I'm sharing now, and I believe that this pair will be going up anytime from now. By surprise, we may even see 1 week or 2 weeks or just 1 month making all this move into 1.3, taking us approximately 3,000 pips in just a short period of time. So we shall see how price will be moving, but for me, those are the two ideas that I have in mind. Otherwise, wish you a very good weekend, and let's meet next week.